This is Lily, the little black one, and Zinger is the little orange kitten. And no, that's not their mummy. That's actually Jerry, and he's not even related to them. But they look like a little family. They were all sleeping together, and Jerry was grooming both of the little kittens. It was very sweet. I just had to get a picture of it. Oh, they're so adorable. Oh, there they go again. Cuddle up. How sweet. He's grooming him again. Oh, love me too. She says, love me too. So sweet.